Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Irene Nurfahria, and on this occasion today, we are going to talk about descriptive text. In English, there are various types of text, starting from descriptive text, narrative text, recount text, report text, and several other types of text. And on this occasion, I will focus on the description of descriptive text in a little more detail. Well, for those of you who don't know what descriptive text is, in short, descriptive text is a text that explains or describes people, animals, or an object in terms of shape, characteristics, number, and so on. However, there are also several definitions of descriptive text, namely, the first is text that provides information about something or someone looks, sounds, using words to describe what something or someone is like. Then, the second is text that provides facts about how language is actually used rather than rules that tell people how it should be used. And from these two understandings, it can be concluded that descriptive text is a type of text that describes a certain person, thing, or place so that the reader can imagine as if what is being told is really real. Okay, then what is the purpose of descriptive text? The purpose of descriptive text itself is to explain, describe, or reveal person or thing. Now, I will explain about the generic structure of descriptive text, namely 1. Identification. Identification is an introduction in the form of a general description of a topic. 2. Description contains the special characteristic possessed by the object, place, or person being described. For example, properties, physical appearance, and other things that are written specifically. Then, what about the characteristic of descriptive text? The characteristics are 1. The verb used is an attribute verb such as be and is are. 2. Only focus on that one object. And now we're gonna talk about the language features of descriptive text. The first one is noun. For nouns, use specific nouns such as my cat, my friend, national monument, and so on. In addition, often also use adjective to clarify the use of nouns or nouns such as a big house, a smart student, an independent woman, and so on. Then, for the use of tenses, does anyone know what tenses the descriptive text use? Yes, simple present. Simple present use verb 1 and use verb that can indicate ownership or state of an object. Descriptive text use the simple present tense because descriptive text tells a fact that object being described. For example, my office has 22 floors. Siti Rahayu is pretty, and others. Besides that, there are also action verbs. Action verbs use verbs that indicate an activity that can be seen. For example, sleep, walk, sing, and dance, and etc. In addition, Descriptive text also use figurative language. Descriptive text usually use figurative language or describe something. Usually use a metaphor to provide illustrations to the reader. For example, my love for you is as big as the ocean, or in Indonesian, cintaku padamu seluas lautan. And another example is her skin is as white as the snow, or in Indonesian, kulitnya seputih salju. For more details, let's look at this example.
In this example of descriptive text, the first paragraph is an introduction. Why is that? Because this paragraph contains an overview of the mother, while the second paragraph is a description because it contains the special characteristic of the mother, her personality, then the physical appearance of the mother.
Okay everyone, that's an example of descriptive text and the analysis. I hope in the future we can understand more about what descriptive text is, and we can make examples of descriptive text. Okay, I think that's all for today's lesson, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much and bye bye.